guess what? I got a tongue twister. Check it out. Oh, no. I'm gonna go get my birthday Coke. Okay, now I'm really hyper. Bouncing off the walls, hyper. Okay, my episode is over. Well, not my episode of videotaping. I mean, like, my little spasm episode. I got a new sweatshirt. Want to see it? I like my new sweatshirt. Let's play Xbox. There's some Call of Duty. And it's definitely on the Xbox. Don't worry, it's not on the iPod Touch. Because on the iPod Touch, it totally suck. And this isn't my iPod Touch. It's just, you're on to me. Well, you're on to me a little bit. Here I go. I'm going to play some Nazi zombies on the iPod Touch with my little puny thumbs. You know. Here I go. Oh my god, I'm why did I spawn on level 4? Ugh. I can spawn on level 4. 4. Don't offer Nazi zombies on level 4. Love Nazi zombies. For some more birthday Coke. Throw up a little bit. Oh, my mind! Look at this, my little gopher puppy, my gopher. He's dead. In my mind! Baby, I love you. Yeah, baby, I love you. Yeah, baby, I love you. Yeah, baby, I love you. Yeah. That was just a beautiful, just a tearing moment. Tearing. That's all. Baby, I love you. We're done with that. Okay. Let's move on. Refrigerator. Mom's had a little one. Your mom is so fat that she doesn't need the internet. She's already worldwide. That's why she doesn't go on YouTube. She doesn't need it. But the fridge is super high tech. Little glowy thing is so cool. Lucy, say hi. I think it's time for another hyper effect, don't you think? Here I go. Hyper.